Okay, what I want to do is show you how to do some graphing directly in your Chrome browser, and this will also work on your mobile device like your phone. So in the URL bar, let's start with the equation of a line. Y equals 3x plus 4. We hit enter, and it graphs it for you. You can actually slide up and down. It'll tell you the coordinate points. You can zoom in and out. You can actually move your graph side to side. I want to see what happens if I take the m value and make it a negative, minus 3x plus 4. Graphs the second equation as a different color. Always have a comma in between. Let's see what happens if we do a fraction. Let's go 1/2 x plus 3. Adds in another color. And you can move along each one of these lines. So right now I'm moving up and down the blue line. If I go to this little drop down box, I can go to the red line. Shift back and forth, see the coordinate points, or the third line. We can also do quadratics, and we can do parabolas. So y equals x. Now to get the squared, it's shift 6, which gives you that arrow up. Here's my parabola. See what happens if we put a negative in front. Want to be able to see more of the second parabola. Let's zoom out. There we go. I want to graph some trig functions. So let's go with sine. You need to put a bracket around the x. There it is. Let's graph a cos to go with it. There's my sine and there's my cos. So, super easy way of graphing in a Chrome browser. It works on your mobile device as well. So you don't need to use separate apps. You don't need to be using Desmos. You can very quickly take a look at patterns and see what happens when you make minor changes to the variables. Okay, in summary, use Chrome, type math functions into the search bar, make sure you separate them with commas. You can change variables and see what happens to the functions. No need to be doing it with pencil and paper and table of values, or you don't have to use Desmos. You can do it right on your phone in Chrome.